Good morning, guys. Okay, so today we have a oh wow, it's a 2009 Crown Vic. We got a crank no start. So this is what the car is doing. Police edition. Action. Okay, so 2009 Crown Vic Police Edition. I usually don't smoke in customized car, but okay. So we got a crank no start on this 2009 Crown Vic. Listen. Crank no start. What you guys think it is? The customer thinks he needs a fuel pump. Cool, no problem. So now we gotta take the fuel pump out. Okay, so we got a crank no start. Customer wants to replace the fuel pump. Okay, cool, no problem. But I want to check before I even go through all that. I want to check the fuse first to make sure that the fuel pump fuse is good. So I hope he has an owner manual, because I'm gonna need an owner manual. Like this quick. I don't want y'all to see all his personal stuff, but there is no owner manual in here. So I'm gonna have to go online and come back and grab a diagram, or you guys can hang tight and then I just run the power tester on it. So whichever one. So this is a power cord. I'm gonna check the fuses to make sure that the fuel pump fuse is good. So I know I'm not tripping, right? So I know that I just heard the fuel pump come on this Crown Vic. Listen. Y'all hear that? You hear that buzz? That's the fuel pump. The fuel pump is working. So this may not be a fuel pump issue. And the fuse, we check the fuse. I might have to confirm with Richard in a second. Okay, y'all. So things are getting very interesting on this car right now that came in for a fuel pump. Customer said we already confirmed that the fuel pump is priming because you can hear that buzz in the back. We checked the fuse. This is where we are so far. We checked the kill switch right here. We reset it. The kill switch right here. We reset it by pushing it down. So now we check the fuse. This is the fuse right here for the number 12. It says it's supposed to be a 20, but it's a 25. But that's good. I could try to switch it to see if that helped. But the fuel pump prime. So we have to see if this is getting pressure. Not only that, but you see how the spark plugs are, like how you say, wiggling. Not the spark plugs, the coils. They're not really supposed to be doing all that shit. They're not really tight on there. Then you come on this side, shit get very interested on this side. It's like, you know, and then this motherfucker don't even got a bolt. He's just dangling by zip tie. You can't make this shit up. Okay, so this is where we at right now. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go for, we check the fuel. Well, we gotta check the pressure to make sure it's getting pressure. And then if it's getting pressure, then, well, we know it's probably getting pressure. We know that it might not be getting spark or so, but we want to check the pressure first, and then we'll go to the spark to see. We gotta look for our scanner. We need our scanner to plug in here to see if we got a code as well. Okay, so hang tight, guys. We might be able to save the customer some money today, or if not, might put money in my pocket.
No, in the engine.
In the engine? Okay, so right now we're doing a compression test. And usually the compressor is supposed to be between 150 and 200. And we got 60 on this cylinder. There was hardly no oil in this engine. We gotta put some oil in it and do the compression test again. So no oil and no coolant inside. Open up the hose, no coolant come outside, and you have low compression. Yeah, the motor is no good. Nada. How you say it in Spanish?
What?
Huh.
You can